Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT artificial intelligence tutorial. In this lecture we learn about how write post article in ChatGPT. Let's check it. I want to write article about what is software engineering. It start writing contexts. Software engineering is the process of designing, implementing and maintaining software system. It disciplines the combined computer science, project management and engineering to build, maintain software system. Easy to use software engineering, variety tools, techniques, frameworks to develop, test software, and they work wide range of technologies programming. How many programming languages used in software engineering? There are hundreds of programming languages used today, and software engineering you use one or more. These language build software system. C, C++, Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, Soft, Ruby, these are the software engineers. Why we use software engineering? Software engineering, you can modify questions and proofreading. You need to proofreading some, then manage article according to your requirements. What is software engineering? Software's tools, IDEs, integrated development environments, Visual Studio. Few tools they explain about software engineering which help us in software engineering. What jobs can do software engineer? Analyze user requirements, develop software specifications, design the architecture structure of software system, implement software components, debug software, identify error fix, maintain and update existing software system, collaborate with the team members. These are the responsibilities of the software engineers. Now I these are the context articles the help of ChatGPT. You can write more context depend on your choices, and any question you can ask them. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.